Baby elephant wakes with a smile, ready to play and run a mile. The morning sun shines warm and bright, starting the day with pure delight.
Flappy ears go swish, 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 playing by the pond with a splashy wish. Water sparkles in the air, happy moments everywhere.
Tiny trunk goes up so high, reaching gently toward the sky, waving hello to birds in flight, enjoying every cheer-free sight.
Baby elephant loves to play, running through the grass all day. Butterflies dance left and right, making everything feel bright.
Friends arrive from near and far, a bunny, monkey, and little star. Together they laugh and sing along to a joyful friendship song.
Splashing water with the trunk, making bubbles with a plunk. Giggles echo through the land, fun is always close at hand.
Under a rainbow shining wide, baby elephant takes a ride across green hills and fields of flowers, playing through the sunny hours.
Snack time comes with fruit so sweet, tasty treats are fun to eat. Crunching apples one by one, adding more joy to the fun.
Golden sunset paints the sky, clouds drift slowly drifting by. Baby elephant heads back home after a day of happy roam.
Stars begin to twinkle